Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial I will show you how you can change or add multiple videos on TikTok. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your TikTok app and then logged into your account, and there you will find your profile. Go to your profile and then you will see at the top or at the bottom you will see a plus icon, like the TikTok plus icon or upload icon. You have to simply click on that, and then you will see over here your camera section, and you have to simply click on the library section, and you will see bunch of options over here. You can see, or on the top you will see all videos or pictures and live pictures. It's up to on your library how many videos you have or how many pictures that you have, so it depends on that. So let me show you how you can select multiple videos on TikTok to upload it. So as you can see, you have to simply click on the circle button on the video. So as you can see, this video is about 2 minutes and 20 seconds, and then the next video is 1 minute and 51 seconds, and it's like two videos. And I want to add some of other, so like that I have the short clips as well. So you can see over here I have added 5 videos over here. You can as well add much more as you can as you want to do. So you have to simply edit it from auto cap, or click on next and then go there and edit from here.
Anyway, so every word I need to say, so anyway, every.
So as you can see, you can simply edit it from here. In this tutorial, I will show you. You have to simply click on this, and you can see over here this timeline, and you can simply edit it from here. So as you can see, you can simply edit it from here, and when you are satisfied, you have to simply click on this arrow goes to right. Click on that, and then you will see this page, and you have to simply add a caption over here, or hashtags or mentions as well. You can simply edit it by your own, or you can as well add location over here, or you can simply edit it by your own. So then you have to simply click on post, and it's going to be post on this TikTok account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.